You always interact with them.
Maybe have you summoned about the number of
Like us to introduce ourselves to you. Also, wish to address those who seek public office. Political competition must never become a license to sponsor violence or recruit young people into criminal networks. Anyone found financing, organizing, or facilitating acts of violence, directly or indirectly, will face the full consequences of the law. Responsibility extends beyond those who wield weapons to those who provide resources, direction, or protection.
For the conveners, we will track you down. For the mobilizers of the youth, we will track you down. And we will get you. So if you think you are on holiday by maybe staying away from Kisumu and organize using proxies here, we'll still track you down. It doesn't matter who you are, we'll get you.